have with AI. But James, do you want to go next with your preliminary thoughts?
Absolutely. Thank you, Gene. It's great to be here. I'm a paying subscriber for IP Author as well as other generative AI tools. I've used them for since as soon as they became available, and I'll say that this is happening. AI generation is here. This is probably the most important change in my 24 years of practice, and I feel like if you plan on practicing in the next 5 to 10 years, you will need to incorporate these tools somehow into your practice. We'll get into the details of that throughout this discussion, but this is an important technology that I think we all need to be aware of.
Okay, great. Thanks. Dean, you want to go next?
Yeah, so I can explain some of my experiences writing patent specifications and claims for different technologies. So for example, if I'm writing a set of patent claims for life sciences, I can actually use this software and query the software to provide examples of protein and peptide sequences to go into my claims. The software will name the sequences and it will automatically number them. If I'm writing a small molecule chemistry patent, I can ask the software to give me examples of certain small molecules like perfluoroalkylated substances or flavonoids or whatever in the dependent claims, and the software will automatically come back and provide those examples when I'm writing claims. Another great thing about the AI software is, let's say if I don't like something, I can always back up to a previous point. So these are just some of the examples in mechanical patents. The software that Samir provides gives excellent claim writing capabilities. So my experience so far is that if you're not using this for your claim writing, your specification drafting, your prior art searches, and your office actions, you're kind of getting left behind very quickly. It
Yeah,
saves me a lot of time.
that is very true. Thanks, Dean. And Thomas, your preliminary thoughts here.
Certainly. I've been a practicing patent attorney for over 25 years and remember the advent of the internet and how that changed everything. And you could do Google searching and you didn't have to spend all these hours at the library, or you didn't have to have your searcher at the USPTO look into the shoes for the prior art. Those older patent attorneys will appreciate what I'm talking about. I'm going to go along with what James, we're truly at an inflection point here. With this generative AI technology. What used to take me, two, three hard days work to draft a patent application, I can now just do in a few hours. It's a tremendous tool. If you're not using it, you're not benefiting your clients.
Mm-hmm. So I want to come back to that in a bit, but